Like I mentioned before, there are three types of sections that you're going to be recording in your audiobook: your credit sections, your section breaks, and everything else. We just covered the credit sections, so now we're going to cover section breaks. Now, of course, this is only applicable to you if your book has section breaks to begin with. If your book is split into parts, so part 1, part 2, or sections, section 1, section 2, section 3, or even books, book 1, book 2. However you choose to title your section breaks doesn't really matter, but if you have them, this video is for you. Each one of your breaks is going to be its own audio file, its own section in Prozody. In these sections, the bare minimum is to simply record the title of the section. Part 1. Ideation. If your section has a subtitle or a quote, go ahead and say that too. There's lots of bad reasons to start a company, but there's only one good, legitimate reason, and I think you know what it is. It's to change the world. Phil Lieben, CEO of Evernote. These sections are usually no longer than a few seconds, so we're done. We can save and mark it as complete. Now that we know how to record opening and end credits as well as section breaks, let's now talk about how to record everything else.